Hi there, I'm Julian, and I'm here to take care of your vehicle security needs, be that an immobilizer for insurance reasons or an alarm to protect the contents of your van or ute. I've got it covered. I also install GPS systems, dash cameras and remote engine starts. So whatever your vehicle security needs are, don't be shy, get in touch with me. I am here to help. So a little bit about me. I'm based here in my workshop up in Paraparaumu, up on the Kāpiti Coast, but I do offer a full mobile installation service where I come to you and do the install. So I basically cover the Hutt Valley, Wellington, Porirua, Kāpiti, and as far north as Levin. So if you've got any vehicle security questions, get in touch. Check out my website, which is vehiclesecurity.co.nz. It's got a wealth of information, and whilst you're here, I'm going to be cheeky and ask if you can just maybe just down there find that like and subscribe button and give it a click. That would be a great help for me. So yeah, get in touch. I look forward to talking to you.